Hello, my friends! Welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy you're here to practice English with me. Have you ever felt nervous at the airport? What if you say the wrong thing to the staff? Don't worry, today's story will help you learn real English phrases for the airport. Stay with me until the end because we'll have a special practice section just for you. Today, we'll use the shadowing technique. That means listen carefully to my voice, then repeat after me. It's like you're my shadow, copying every sound. Don't worry about mistakes. Every single word you repeat brings you closer to fluency. So, are you ready? Let's do this together. Here's how to use this video. Step 1, listen. Step 2, repeat after me. Step 3, practice again later. And please stay with me until the end because we'll practice real airport phrases together. This will make your English more natural and more confident. Let me tell you a story. Last month, I had to travel. I went to the airport. But something unexpected happened. Do you want to know what it was? Stay with me, you'll find out soon. It was early morning. I packed my suitcase, I checked my passport, and I left for the airport. When I arrived, the building was huge and busy. So many people, so many flights. I felt a little nervous. I went to the check-in counter. The airline staff smiled at me. She said, "Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?" I gave her my passport. Then she asked, "Do you have any bags to check in?" I smiled and said, "Yes, just one suitcase." She put a tag on my bag. She gave me a boarding pass, and she said, "Your gate number is 22. Boarding starts at 9:30. I thanked her and I walked away. But then I realized something. Oh no! I forgot my phone charger at home. I needed it for the trip. So I went to a small airport shop. I asked the shop assistant, "Excuse me, do you sell phone chargers?" She said, "Yes, over there." I bought one quickly. After that, I went through security. The officer said, "Please take off your shoes and belt." I did it. Then he said, "Put your laptop in a separate tray." I followed the instructions. Finally, I passed security. I felt relieved. At the gate, I waited for boarding. Suddenly, the announcement came. "Attention passengers on Flight 302 to London. Boarding will begin shortly." I was excited. I showed my boarding pass to the staff. She said, "Have a nice flight." I walked down the tunnel. I found my seat. It was a window seat, my favorite. During the flight, I looked outside. The clouds were beautiful. I thought to myself, wow, airports are stressful, but also amazing. So that was my trip to the airport. I made small mistakes. I forgot my charger. I felt nervous at security. But everything turned out fine. And you know what? English learning is just like that. Mistakes are normal. Nervous feelings are normal. But step by step, you get better. Just like I reached my gate safely, you will reach your fluency safely too. Now, let's learn the useful English phrases from this story. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Can I see your passport, please? Repeat after me. Can I see your passport, please? Do you have any bags to check in? Repeat after me. Do you have any bags to check in? Your gate number is 22. Boarding starts at 9:30. Repeat after me. Your gate number is 22. Boarding starts at 9:30. Excuse me, do you sell phone chargers? Repeat after me. Excuse me, do you sell phone chargers? Please take off your shoes and belt. Repeat after me. Please take off your shoes and belt. Have a nice flight. Repeat after me. Have a nice flight. Great job! These are real phrases you will hear at the airport. Now let's practice together. One more time. Say it with me. Can I see your passport, please? Do you have any bags to check in? Excuse me, do you sell phone chargers? Have a nice flight. Excellent! You sound better already. Now, let me ask you a fun question. Which seat do you prefer on a plane? A window seat, a middle seat, or an aisle seat? Tell me in the comments. I want to know. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'm really proud of you. Remember, English is not just about grammar. It's about connection. It's about real-life communication. So keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep growing. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more shadowing practice. Until next time, stay confident, stay motivated, and remember, you are getting better every single day. Goodbye, my friends!